Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Yasin and you're watching my YouTube channel. Viewers, I have started a new series of videos on Pakistani industries and export to showcase Pakistani industrial setups and portfolios of Pakistan, the products of Pakistan. And I'm standing right in front of ACELIN Sports. ACELIN Sports produce basically the cricket balls. Let's join this video and watch completely what ACELIN produce, the process of ACELIN, the man behind the show. So let's join the video. So viewers, we have with us one of the director of the company, ACELIN Sports. He is Mr. Umar. Assalamualaikum, Mr. Umar. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much.
We manufacture cricket balls. So my dad started this 37 years ago. He started this in 1987, and we're proudly supplying to Dukes. We're a vendor for Dukes.
Vendor for the Dukes.
Yes.
So you manufacture basically the cricket balls.
Yes, we specialize in cricket balls. I'll walk you through the office and I'll take you to the production hall.
Sure. So viewers, I think this is their staff office.
Yes, this is our staff office. We have an HR team, R&D team here. That's one of our office. Me and my younger brother Salman.
Okay. Just a quick round of the office. All right. So, Mr. Umar, can we go through the factory visit as well? So, viewers, as I shared with you, the company produced the cricket balls, and this is for the kind of first process of cutting the dies.
We cut down these bends from a die press. We use a press machine, and we cut the whole bend and we categorize the balls from these.
So basically, this guy is doing inside stitching. I don't know exactly what the term used for this, but as you can see. So Mr. Salman, Mr. Umar,
so this process is known as cover closing. So the four quarters are stitched together from two, and this is going to be ending up into 4-piece ball.
I think it requires some expertise and
yes, it does.
as well.
Yes, it does. It requires some expertise and strength.
So ladies and gentlemen, here the guy is doing the softening of the leather basically, so that the cutting, so that we have an ideal leather for the cutting and the balls.
It really requires your physical strength, barehanded, and you really need strong shoulders for these. It's not like something you come up to a job and you can do it. But so basically what it does is it softens the leather, which helps the stitchers and seamers to easily stitch it. The leather is not too hard, and it's easily being pricked out for the stitching.
So basically what you are looking here is the pre-molding process. Here a different press are installed just to make the bond of the cuts more stronger. So we ask again to Mr. Umar, just briefly explain please for the viewers, prospective importers, if they are looking exactly what that.
So after the quarter seaming, these are pre-molded in heated cups with air pressure in it. So the leather is being stretched out enough, so it comes out into a shape where while playing in the ground or something, the leather is not too stretched out after hitting a six or something. Being the impact. So these are molded into heated cups to convert it into cup shape. So this is what we received in molding process, and this is the final cup we received. So this is the final after the whole molding process.
So we were actually, this is before the process, and this what we get after the process. See the difference. Absolutely.
So after the molding process, here we get the final cups, and we have cork balls here, which are also known as center of the ball. And this process is actually the backbone of cricket balls. We actually weigh the ball and cups, and we try to we check the weighing plus the sizing and how the ball is going to end up. So we try to keep it in between the ICC requirements.
How much grammage? What is the standard?
So
of
the standard, the final gram is from 158 to 164. But in this process, we keep it before stitching and seaming. We try to keep it from 148 to 154.
Okay, Mr. Umar, what we are watching here?
So after the weighing and after the weighing department, this is what we get, and this is called the seaming process, where these both cups are being stitched together and converted into this form.
This is called the stitching process. Again, we refer Mr. Umar to brief a bit on this as well.
So this is actually, I would say, a second step. It would be the second last step before the final balls being made. This is called the stitching process, and in this process, it's I would say we have a couple of different things to worry about. So one is the width of the seam, and then how many stitches we had to go through the whole ball. So that's how it is. So we do provide the training. We have a training centers, and we try to encourage people to come up into this field, because this is a handmade product, and we didn't have something specified, I would say, in mechanism at the moment. So guys, basically after the stitching, this is we try to make colors of the balls, I would say a little bit darker for the county level balls. So this is one of the expert guys we have since the day one. We had this guy from last 32 years. His name is Javed, and he's been doing this from last 32 years, and he's part of the family. I would say he's one of the a head of family. So
basically this is called a stamping process, where they put actually the stamp on the ball. Here you can see, wow. So viewers, we have with us the founder of this ACELIN Sports, father of Mr. Umar, one of the directors that you have already seen in the video. We have with us Mr. Aslam.
Mr. Yasin, thank you for coming over here. We are very pleased to see you over here.
Sir, how long you have been in the business of this?
Actually, I started in 1988. Just from the grassroots where I have started this business. Now, at the moment, we are just working with the well-known international brand Dukes. Yes, I can show you. This is our Superior Match, ACELIN Superior Match A ball, which has been used through Pakistan Cricket Board second grade matches this year and the last year also. And the other brand is Special Crown Match, which is also been using
different
yeah. This is Special Match.
Special match ball, and this is being used in
Pakistan Cricket Board. Yeah.
Officially, they are being used in under 19 cricket or
under 19 Special Crown Matches. They are using since
So these balls, can I ask one simple question? How many overs these balls can be used for the cricket match? It depends on.
It depends upon the tournament or quality. But we had experience. Our one ball, this one, the red one, Superior Match A. This has been used in West Indies, 119 overs. Can produce about 500 to 600 balls a day, or mechanically system or other that. But actually, this is a hand stitch ball, and it's not easy to make the hand stitch ball. One ball takes about 6 to 8 hours to complete hand stitch ball. And it consists on 13 to 14 stages. Machine ball.
This
yes.
is the machine ball, and here we can see the
Seam is flat. Yeah.
Okay,
And this is a hand stitch ball.
hand stitch ball. We can see the seam is bit prominent.
Prominent, little bit high.
And,
Yeah.
more sharp.
Yeah.
So this ball facilitate in swing as well as the cutting of the ball.
Yes. Yeah. Just.
So ballers.
This is a seam the ball.
Okay. Ballers love this ball, I guess, and the batsmen love the flat seam.
Flat seam ball because with the machine ball it can make like records and scores bending.
Batting becomes
Yeah, betting.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
And this is
Another ball.
another orange
Now we can see a lot of cricket match being played
with the orange and with the pink ball as well.
Ball as well. So you can produce all of these colors.
Multicolors, white, orange, pink and red. And for the practice, this is red and white ball
Red and white ball. For the practice.
for the practice.
I think this ball facilitated the swing in the air.
Red and white just for the training, just to show them that actually this is the training ball which has been used to train the bowler. They can see the movement of the ball.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much
It's
for
my pleasure.
sharing time with our channel, and hope this video will serve the purpose to promote the Pakistani exports at large, and also your company's exports as well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Yasin.
Thank you very much.
Right here.